She was like, this ain't my baby.
I left him with the baby. Go get the baby.
On March 24th, 2025, West Palm Beach police were called to a hospital parking lot. A newborn had been found alone, crying in a stroller. A bystander made the call. By the time officers left that lot, two adults would blame each other for where the baby was left. And only one of them would be leaving in handcuffs. In Florida, that's child neglect, a third-degree felony. Up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, a $5,000 fine. For leaving a newborn alone in a parking lot.
Okay, so what happened exactly?
So I was parked over there and I saw the
Touch over the collar.
The couple pulled in, and then it was a young man, African American, with a girl, very tall, skinny, and I thought they were going in. I was driving by. The next thing is I drove by again because I was gonna leave, and I saw the carriage sitting. I was like,
did they pull up in this car?
you know, I'm not sure if it's this car or not, but it was right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Okay. Do you have your ID?
The baby was crying. Yes, it's in my yeah.
Okay.
This isn't her baby?
No. I was the one who called her.
Yeah.
Did you just drive by and saw this?
Yeah, I was driving. I was parked and I was driving by and I saw it was sitting here.
Did you see
I don't
the
have any
parents?
baby. Yes, it was African American.
And they
young.
both walked away?
They walked away. Even
Walked
another
away?
guy.
Did they walk away or drive away? Because you're saying you don't know if this is
I
their
don't know
car.
if this is the car, but it just left.
They walked away.
They had a car, so I'm assuming they drove away and they just left the baby next to this car.
When you got here, though, did you see them drive away or did you just see them walking away?
I was parked right there behind.
Okay.
The baby. So they had a car, so I'm assuming they drove away.
Is the baby okay?
Yeah,
Is he...
she's okay. She was crying, and
Okay.
I just picked her up just to lullaby her. So,
So I'm just trying to be clear. You were parked.
yeah,
Did you see someone with the baby?
yeah, I saw it. Yeah,
Two.
two of yeah,
A mom and a dad.
Mm-hmm.
Both were black.
Mm-hmm.
And then
They were pulling the cart out. They were putting the baby in, and I went around.
out of this car or a different car?
You know, to be honest, I didn't look at
Okay,
the car
that's
that
fine.
good.
Uh-huh.
So I just saw them pulling the cart and putting the baby in,
Okay.
and then I went around,
Okay.
and I came back.
Were they arguing?
No,
No?
they were just
Okay.
putting the baby in, and I went around, and I came back, and I was leaving, and I saw the baby. The baby was crying. I had my windows open.
And then you no longer saw the parents?
No,
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of like she saw them
Right. So.
putting the baby in the stroller, and she like kind of looped the parking lot, and
Yeah,
then all of a
just
sudden
to
they were
see.
just gone. She
Yeah.
doesn't remember seeing if they
I
got
knew
in
there
a
was
car
something was wrong,
or
so
what.
That's why I went around. I had to
Okay.
know something was wrong with them.
Yeah, I don't know.
I didn't touch anything.
No, it's okay.
I just held the baby. That's all, just in case of anything.
Did that car come back to anything to this side?
No, they didn't.
What's going on?
You got me in the mix of this.
What's going on?
This girl had me drive her around all day to get help because she didn't have a ride or nothing. All of a sudden, she
What's
said,
going on? Where's the baby?
You're telling him I left him with the baby.
Who are you? The father?
No.
Is he the father? Are you the mother?
She's here because.
Ma'am, look at me. Are you the mother of the baby?
Yeah, and he's the father.
Okay. Where is the baby?
He left it at the hospital. I gave him the baby.
No, she's lying.
Now I'm lying.
Look, let me tell you exactly what happened.
Okay.
She says, take her to the hospital. Actually,
So you're fine that your baby is you don't know where your baby is right now?
I'm asking him where my baby is.
man,
Was she there? Was she there with you?
You know what? Yeah, I'm the one that took her to the hospital.
Okay.
But what she did was, she was like, come inside with me, I'm going inside. And as we're going inside, she's talking crazy to me. So I said, yo, I'm done, bro. I'm going home. I start going home. She runs back to the truck with the baby and parks it in front of the other car. And leaves.
I think you should be like.
How did she leave?
See how she's saying, I'm going to give her there's cameras.
How did she leave?
She walked off.
Let's run a judge.
How did you get over here, ma'am? Did you walk?
Wow.
So you left your baby in the parking lot.
I left him with the baby. The baby was in front of the car.
It's your baby.
It's our baby.
It's not our baby. I'm not even on the birth certificate. Listen, she's
not?
here because
Okay. Come on,
she's
let's
here
go.
because she thinks. She
Where are you
thinks that
taking
this
me,
guy's
ma'am?
the baby.
Back to your child.
You need to take him back to the child.
Ma'am, who's on the birth certificate?
Him. His last name is on there.
I didn't sign no birth certificate.
It's your
She put
last
my name on
name.
it.
It's your last name. Go get the baby.
So you put my last name on the birth
Go get the
certificate?
Did the baby come out of your?
No.
No?
Didn't come out my vagina.
Did you have a C-section? Did you carry this child?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And now it is in a parking lot unattended.
Go get
correct?
the baby. Go get the baby. Go get the baby.
Did the baby come
Why
out?
did you leave the
Okay.
baby?
Did you?
If I left
I'm gonna
you with the
15.
baby, why did you leave the baby?
Did you just have the baby?
Stand up.
What did you arrest me
You're-
for?
For child neglect. Stop.
The officer had heard enough. For child neglect, then silence.
You got my stuff too. I don't.
Whose house is this?
This is my
Oh, the baby
ex-boyfriend.
father. The
No,
guy.
it's not.
Okay.
Why are you here?
We done. Let's go. Take him with down.
Why are you here, though? You can tell the truth. The cop's already here.
Ma'am, you don't gotta do that.
Okay, well, you're not grabbing stuff, okay?
The more you lie, the more. I don't care.
Let go of the water bottle, please.
They detained me. Bye.
Sorry.
They detained me. Bye. What else?
Do you have anything on you?
No. Bye. You got what you wanted. You got. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Let's go.
This is crazy. She was telling me it's not her child. She was saying it's not her child. Somebody switched her child.
Okay, probably gonna take her to HQ for Myrtle. You good with that?
I'm sorry. What for? What? You should be speaking to me too. Myrtle. Why are you? Bro. Oh, I'm not even. Can I get your badge number?
You sure can. Sure. Please stand right here up against the car. You need to put your seatbelt on. Sorry.
Can you put the window down?
Yes, sure. Can get the AC going too. Sorry, the seatbelt stuck.
Can you take my stuff? Can you tell me to take my stuff because they're thieves?
We'll bring your stuff with you.
And my phone.
That's why I was trying to tell
10-4. 10-4 with the mother. 10-15.
The lady told. I spoke to this lady a while ago. And she told me she didn't.
How's it going, man? Do you know the girl that we were just walking with?
I just seen him in my front yard and I just called my grandma, asked her who these people was. I don't know them.
You don't know who these people are?
His brother. The brother's. Oh, he's talking right now.
Okay.
I spoke to this lady a long time ago, and this lady told me about her.
How do you know this lady?
Where did I meet her at, man? I met her at 45th Street, actually. I met her at 45th Street, the gas station. 45th Street.
When?
Like a year ago.
Okay. So today, you're driving her around with the baby.
Yeah,
The
from
baby has a doctor's
Nova,
appointment
the shelter.
from Villanova?
Yeah, because she's homeless.
Okay.
I
So
was helping her sister pay for a hotel for her.
okay.
I'm driving her around different locations.
Okay.
Villanova, the shelter. Everything was fine until this afternoon. She went to clean the baby, and she said the baby is sick. I think something is going on with the stool or something. And I'm like, what's going on with the stool? She said a word I don't understand.
Okay.
She said, take her to the hospital. I said, okay. I go inside the gas station. I come out, and she's walking off with her bag. And I'm like, yo, wait. What you doing?
Leaving you with the
Leaving
baby.
me with the baby. She
Okay.
told me, hey, take her to the hospital. Take her to his house. I said, I'm not taking her to the house. You take your baby to the house.
Right.
She was like, this ain't my baby. He's Hispanic. I'm like, how is it not your baby?
Right. You carried it and gave birth to it.
She's
Okay.
a little
Right.
gone. So
you
I
get to St.
begged her
Mary's.
and I begged her
Okay.
and I begged her. We go to St. Mary's, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's saying, I want you to come inside with me because I don't want these people to say nothing. I want you to come. So I start to go inside with her. And we're going inside. And as we're going inside, she's calling me all kind of names. I'm like, why the hell are you talking to me like that? And she's talking and she's calling. I said, yo, I'm out. This camera's in front. I'm sure there's cameras in there. And you're going to see me do like this. Man, I'm leaving.
You walk away and she still
I
has
walk
the
away,
baby.
And she still have the baby.
Okay.
I get to my car. I see her coming like this. With the stroller. Parks it right here. And then walks off. So I say, yo, I get on my phone. I pull out. I say, I'm calling the cops. I tell her as she's walking away. Hey, I'm calling the cops.
Is your name?
Yes.
Okay, so you were the one that called the cops.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, I'm calling the
What's-
cops. Come back and get your baby.
Do you got your ID on you? Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
So you call 911, you're
I'm
like,
the one
yo,
that
this
called.
lady left her baby,
Yeah, she
she's
left
off
her
running,
baby
blah,
and
blah,
she's
blah.
running, yeah.
Okay. Because then there was another lady
So
that saw this all happening,
So
and
I
she
was-
called she went and grabbed the baby to take care of it.
Yeah,
And she called
I
911
I went
too.
back and I saw the lady with,
Okay.
with the baby in her arms.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
said, yes, miss, I just called the police. The police is on the way. And I kind of knew she would come here because this is the person that she keeps saying is the baby daddy. His name
Some
is-
guy.
Yes.
Okay.
Before you came, she's on about, this is not my baby. He's Hispanic. This is my... I said, yo, what is that? You're crazy. This is your baby. Somebody ain't switching. You think somebody came and swapped your baby?
What's
out?
your phone number? Can you raise your right hand for me? You swear everything you've told me is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Put your hand down. I appreciate it. Okay.
I was
For the
actually
record,
begging her to.
it's not your child.
It's not my child.
The child's gonna
It's
end up
not
in
my
DCF's
child.
custody.
Look, me,
It's
you know
not.
how
It's
many
not your
times-
child.
It's
You didn't sign the birth
I didn't sign
certificate.
no birth certificate. I didn't even see a birth certificate.
Okay. But it is not your baby, to your
How
knowledge.
did she put my? She said she put my name in.
I
How did
don't
she do
think.
that?
No, you have to sign for a birth certificate.
Okay, that's
so
fine.
there. That's not. Yeah.
And you know, I didn't even see a birth
If
certificate. like
if
that.
we need
Sign
something,
anything.
I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
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 All right. Thank you.
We're gonna go to that door over there. Go ahead and have a seat right there for me real quick. Go and sit up, take the cuffs off while you hang out in there. And before you go into that room, can you just take your shoes off and leave them outside for me, please? Let's see this. You got a belt on or anything?
No belt.
All right, go ahead. Is your ID and stuff in this backpack? Yeah. All right. Okay, so I just want to show you a picture first. Is this your baby? Your child?
I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
yeah, I believe so.
You sure? Okay, you don't know if that's your child or it is your
I mean,
child?
it don't really look like me.
Okay, that's her? Just confirming, right? That is her?
Yeah.
Okay, you can be honest with me. I mean, I just have to know for my reports. So that's her, correct? Your kid? Okay, so what happened today then?
I wanted to take her to the hospital to see what was going on with her.
What was wrong with her?
I think she had C. diff.
What's that?
In her poop, it was like it had nothing. I wanted to go see if she was okay. She kept having these puke gums and she kept pooping everywhere. And I also wanted to do a DNA test to make sure, like, hey, this is your kid, this is my kid. You know, we both black and our kid kind of look, you know.
So you guys were going there to go get a DNA?
He didn't want to take a DNA test.
Okay.
So as we were walking, he turned around, and I followed him, I ran to him, and I gave him the baby, and I ran away because he was like, why would you do that?
When you gave him the baby, how did you do that?
I left the baby right in front of where he was, by the car.
Okay. So you left the baby there, but he didn't sign any birth certificate or anything like that?
No, he didn't.
No,
But he was
okay.
there for the birth.
Oh, he was there for the birth?
Yeah.
Where was that at?
Cleveland Hospital for St. Lucie.
Okay, so you left the baby, and then what happened after that? Where did you end up going after that?
And then I walked to my ex house.
Your ex-house, and where's that at?
That's not too far around the corner from me.
Okay. So making sure I got the story straight. You went there because the baby wasn't feeling well, and then,
And the way he acted just threw my whole mood off.
okay. So then you ended up leaving the baby in the parking lot or by his car?
Yeah.
And then did he drive off or did you drive off? Did you walk away?
He took the baby.
He took the baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a reason why the baby was found in the parking lot then? By a bystander?
Well, I don't know. I see the car seat and thing.
You seen the car seat in his car, so you assumed he had the baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not tripping.
Okay.
Maybe he did leave the baby in there. But yeah, I ran away.
Okay. Is there a reason why you didn't go back after he told you?
I wanted him to stop following me, and then I was gonna go back eventually. I just needed to calm down.
Okay. All right. So making sure I understand it. The baby, you put the baby by his car, and then you walked away.
Yeah.
Okay. So you left the baby unattended.
Yeah. Basically.
Okay. Do you want to provide me any other statements or anything that you want to say? No? Okay. So, obviously, since you're here, I'm going to end up taking you into jail. It's going to be for child neglect. At this point, your DCF has the kid, and your sister's coming to pick up the kid. Okay, so I'm just going to pretty much write what you just told me. It should take me like 10 minutes, and then I'll get you to the jail. All righty? Thank you.
She was charged with child neglect. In Florida, that's a third-degree felony. Up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, a $5,000 fine. The baby went to DCF, then to family. The mother went to jail. She gets an F. She denied the baby was hers to the officer holding a photo of her holding that baby. None of this required a Miranda warning. She wasn't under arrest yet. She was just talking. And she kept talking right up until she wasn't free to leave anymore. Every version of the story made the next one harder to believe. The officer gets an A-. He let her talk herself into 3 different stories before he said a word about the charge. Patience did more work here than confrontation ever could. If you want more body cam footage, the moments people don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Who do you think was really responsible for that baby being left alone? We'll see you in the next one.